up guys? Today, we are gonna be exploring abandoned Google Maps location in Manila. Ay! Parang bibigat talaga yung pakiramdam ko. Uy, JC! What? Bakit? May tao.
We'll be investigating why or how they were abandoned.
Nakita ko yun, hinahabol ng mobile. Umuusok yung makina.
From an abandoned car in the streets to a former railway station in Manila. So guys, samahan nyo kami as we go to these interesting places to find out kung ano bang meron dun sa mga yon. Let's go! Alright guys, so we are about to go to our first location, and our first location,
It's actually not really a place.
we saw this going viral on TikTok, on social media.
Yeah, we see people talking about it, and they said apparently there's this car around like a street in Fairview.
That's
that
been there for years. Like I think since 2015. Let's search it. It's called the legendary Kia.
That's crazy. It's been there for so long. They made it into a pin on Google
And
Maps.
so here it is, as you can see. So let's zoom in, and we can actually see
The legendary
that specific
Kia.
car over there. So there, as you can see, it's still in there, just right by the
It's literally
street.
by the street.
So ang question natin is it still in there?
Why would someone leave it there? Or is there an owner? We'll find out. Let's go
We're
there.
trying to check the building.
No, it's there.
Is this the building?
It's there. I see that.
I don't see it.
We will see it, believe in faith. They probably took it out, yo. They finally read the sign. 2 months ago, they said, it's very exquisite, we'll visit again. Look, he said, we'll recommend to everyone who is interested in this 10-year historical piece. 10 years.
Wow. Ay, hindi tayo. Ang layo
Hindi
pa.
tayo dito, ati.
Alright guys, we're in the wrong place. Diretso nga po, tas kaliwa. Mali pala yung location natin guys.
Ayun.
Asan?
Ayun!
There it is. It's the abandoned car.
What the hell, eh? That's crazy.
Grabe. Ibang-iba na yung itsura niya ngayon.
I saw a picture. It still had wheels from 2015, but now there's none. And the inside is it's been trashed.
Sira-sira na talaga. Alright guys, so a little backstory of what we've read online. Sabi nga, hindi ko alam ang buong story, pero nakita ko sa Google Maps since 2015 na nakapark. Hindi na siya nakaalis dyan until now. Kahit complete naman yung first part niya, hanggang sa nawala na for the years ang other part niya.
Who owned this car?
So ditong side, meron pang salamin. Pwede ko bang katukin to?
Wag na.
Uy!
Baho. Ay!
Uy!
Uy!
So guys, dito may side mirror pa pero baluktot na.
Hindi na yan side mirror.
So feeling ko merong taong galit tas wala siyang magawa. Ganun yun na lang.
Parang rage room. Oh,
harap.
the front is busted.
Parang sira yung
Someone
harap.
got the bumper.
Ang katabing bahay sa kabila, talyer. Iniwan daw nung may-ari yan sa kanila 11 years ago. Nakagarahe pa daw nung una sa talyer yan for paint job, and nagsabi na babalikan daw. After ilang days, nilabas nung may-ari ng talyer kasi di enough space sa loob ng talyer nila. Ayan ata, merong repair shop dyan. Grabe oh. Basag-basag. Nakaka-curious, no? Ba't kaya iniwan?
Parang madaming pinagdaan tong kotse na to.
Meron pang mirror dito. Ito yung loob ng kotse. So tinanggal nila yung buong dashboard. Ayan yung dashboard. Wala na ring manibela. Basag-basag yung salamin, talaga may nagbasag.
I don't know why, it's like a bunch of scenarios in my head that are happening while I'm seeing this car.
Alright guys, so kakatapos lang natin i-explore itong abandoned car na to na nandyan for so many years, and we actually found a person na makakapagkwento sa atin kung ano nangyari. Ano po yung istorya nung kotse?
Sir, baka
Hindi naman po kayo kita.
sa kanya po nakatutok.
Pero ayaw niya magpa-video, so we have to respect that. So pero na-record natin yung kwento niya.
Ang dami ng kwentong lumalabas kung ano-ano.
Oo nga pa. Pero ano po ba yung totoo talaga?
Noong nangyari dyan, dahil nandito ako lagi sa karsada, nakita ko yun, hinahabol ng mobile. Umuusok yung makina. Huminto dyan, tumakbo yung driver. Nung bandang huli na, may mga istoryang lumabas na ng hold up daw yung hinahabol ng pulis. So yan, alam na yan ng MBI, alam na ng barangay, alam na ng MMDA, lahat. Nung madiscover nilang nagamit yan sa hindi maganda, parang ayaw nila kunin kasi ebidensya na yan. May mga nag-vlog pa na yung may talyer daw, amin daw. So ako kasi yung may talyer. Ang totoo niyan, halimbawa ikaw ang may-ari, hindi ka man papayag na tinanggap ko tapos pa malapit na yan mag 10 years dyan eh.
Anong year po
Mga
yung
9
nangyari?
years na yan eh.
9 years.
Years na pala eh.
Mayroong nagmagandang loob, tinakpan yan. May isang vlogger, tinanggal niya, tumayo pa dyan sa bubong,
Ala.
tapos ginawa niya ng kwento.
Pero bakit di pa dinadala sa junction?
Once may makialam dyan ng totally, baka madamay dun sa kaso.
Ah, okay.
Kaya hindi nagpo-prosper yung investigation kasi hindi lumulutang yung mga kamag-anak nung gumamit.
Yun pala yun. Kasi ang daming mga kumakalat na iba-ibang
Oo,
stories
Ako
eh.
talagang alam na alam ko yung pangyayari niyan kasi nangyari yan, nandito kami, nanonood pa kami. Ang sabi nga ng ibang vlogger, landmark na daw yan eh.
Ah,
Actually po, sikat po siya.
nag-trending na.
Pangalan, Legendary Kia.
Legendary key.
Pwede mo sa i-search.
Salamat po.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Yun ang actual na nangyari and backstory ng kotse na yun. So, dami-dami ng story na kumakalat online.
Yun po ang totoo.
Yun ang totoo. So we just debunked a theory of what actually happened with this abandoned car. Alright guys, so now we are here on our second location, an abandoned gas
Gas
station.
station.
Let's go. Dito sa place na to, actually nakashoot na ako dito dati ng parang dance video. Medyo matagal na siya abandoned pero wala tayong masyadong backstory na may share kasi parang they just left it as an abandoned gas station. Guys, makikita nyo yung cashier, medyo natabunan ng mga basura. Tingnan nyo.
Dang. Not just this, but also their convenience store is abandoned.
Kung maganda pa kayo saksakan, may saksakan eh. Hindi na yan, no?
Oh, someone said FUCK the barangay.
Hindi, may mga nakasabay, may nakatira.
Look.
Ito yung dating CR nila dito. Ayan. Nakakabit pa eh. O hindi na? Hindi,
Hindi na yan?
nilabas lang, no? Pasok tayo? Para tayong hindi makapasok sa mga abandoned, ah.
Hindi talaga natin pwede mapasukan yan.
Bawal ba?
Bawal.
Ito, dito. Uy!
Bakit?
May tao.
Ha?
May tao, tulog.
Bakit? Why did you scream?
Takot ako. Gumalaw, tulog.
Okay, he's alive!
So ito yung parang garahe back then. Ito yung parang dito ginagawa yung mga kotse. Pasok ka ni.
Dito ako papasok. Hello? I don't think there's a backstory to this. It's just an abandoned thing.
Parang ginawa na rin nilang ano to, parang skateboard spot. Oh, may nakasulat dito. May nagme-messagean dito. Sabi, miss you baby. Alright guys, so far, ito yung abandoned gas station. Wala tayong masyado ma-explore kasi gas station siya, so open yung area mismo.
And there's
then-
nobody to ask
Yes.
what the history was.
And medyo naka-enclose yung mga ibang spot, bawal ata pasukin. So, dinaanan lang natin tong abandoned place na to somehow. Now, next location na tayo. Alright guys, so now dito tayo sa third location natin. This one is the Old Paco Railway Station dito sa Manila. Papasok kami sa likod kasi dito ginagawa yung harap. So, let's go.
Wow, it's giving Stranger Things.
Ayan, kasama pala natin si Nico.
Hello.
And tinulungan tayo ni Kuya. Ano pangalan ni Kuya? Kuya Romifer. Yan.
TPD.
I read about this that this was up 1915. Okay, mid-90s siya naging abandoned. So, yeah.
Ano yung railway station?
Daanan ng mga train.
Dumadaan yung train dito mismo?
Dito. Ito yung construction na yan. Mga daanan ng train yan.
Uy, may mga design dun, no? Tingnan nga natin. Ayun, nakikita nyo, merong mga paint. Parang painting na ata ito eh. Tingnan nyo to, merong painting, merong furniture na painting lang. Uy, JC!
What? You're so OA. Whoa, there's
Ano meron
another.
dyan?
It's a big room pa. This too
Laki.
is rig art. Oh, there's another face.
Uy, ito, sikat na painting to.
Yeah, this is familiar. Apparently, this was like a big help during the World War II because this was the station from Manila to Cavite.
May painting rin dito, ang laki oh.
Y'all, you can tell this is like abandoned because look at the trees. They're like going down here to the ground. It's low-key giving Stranger Things. Guys, I searched more facts about this building. So once again, built in 1915, it's more than 100 years old, making it one of Manila's oldest surviving railway structures, yes. Even though it's abandoned, it's still surviving kahit ganito katagal. This station was heavily bombed during World War II, but parts of its original walls and arcs still stand today. Obviously, matibay.
Ano yan?
Tapos yung panibagong train, gagawin museum.
Ano yun? Gagawing museum to? Ayun yung plano.
O may pumunta na raw pala mga taga-Japan dito. Kasi puro hapon yung gumagawa niyan.
Tapos, so hindi na natuloy.
Yun yung plan.
Yun yung plano.
Tutuloy pa.
Kaya nga mais construction.
Okay guys, so naikot na namin yung whole place. So ang natira na lang pala dito sa railway station na to is isang side na lang. Originally, meron pang main station doon eh. Pero yung natira na lang daw itong side. Hindi na kami makaakyat, may second floor, may third floor pa ata to.
We saw the difference of like how the train stations were before versus today. So malaki yung pinagkaiba and yeah, it's really nice to see. It's giving history.
Yeah, we can't wait to see kung ano yung magiging renovation na gagawin nila dito when it comes. So,
Museum.
okay guys, andito na tayo sa final location natin to explore.
Oh my goodness. I've never passed by here before.
Alright guys, so this is an abandoned theater. Sobrang sikat nito dito sa Manila
It's like-
dahil sa tragic history ng theater na to.
Apparently, it was created for the 1982's Manila International Film Festival. And apparently, sobrang minadalito, so the scaffoldings would fall.
A lot of people died in here.
They declared like 169 people died, but people believed many more died in that building.
Kaya may ganyang amazing show kasi noong early 2000s, tinry nilang i-revive yung theater para maging cultural show center. Pero ayun, apparently hindi na natuloy and na-abandon na siya ngayon.
How many days did you say this was built in, Neil?
Based on history, 170 days daw siya ginawa na fastest and record sa buong Pilipinas for a mega project.
170 days for this big building.
Tapos 4,000 workers working 24/7.
Tinalo pa yung bahay namin. Napakalaki nito.
Grabe, dito pa lang yung feeling ko kakaiba na. Para akong papunta sa, ewan ko ba. Alright guys, apparently di natin ma-re-record yung dun sa may banda dun kasi delikado na daw. So what we'll be doing now is we're gonna explore around the area na lang. Ask some people regarding sa mga stories about this place. Alam ko may sinasabi sila na may pasokan daw dyan tapos makikita mo pa yung mga butoy.
Yeah, that's what I heard also. May mga buto pa dyan.
Dito kaya yun? Ayan, oh.
Why, you wanna go down there?
You can check.
No
Ayan,
way.
you can check naman eh. Silip ka lang dyan, Nilo.
Ikaw dali.
Ayan
Oh
guys.
my God.
JC, ikaw nga.
Tulong daw? Ang
Ayaw lang, JC.
tapang.
Ayun, butos oh. Halika, lapit ka dito.
Ayoko, lapit ko. Takot siya eh. 7-Eleven.
Ayun oh, mga basura sa loob. Ay! Ano ba naman yan? Lapit mo ilaw
Tatakot
bro.
talaga ako.
Ano? Doon sa lababa.
Wala na yan, ang baho.
Kita? Yun, yun maganda silipin.
Uy,
Ano meron? Parking?
ano yan?
No.
Uy, uy ko.
Yagi, laki sa baba.
Paano
Ay,
na-
kinabahan ako.
Ah, siya nakakit dyan.
Patokin natin.
No, what the frick?
Matigas pa naman siya. Pero syempre marami ng crack-crack. Ayan, tingnan nyo, may mga crack. Parang bumibigat yung pakiramdam ko.
Mas parang sumasakit ulo ko eh.
Parang ang dami talagang ano dyan, parang nakakaramdam. Okay guys, kitang-kita nyo si Neil lang yung pumasok, hindi kami. Tara na, parang bumibigat talaga yung pakiramdam ko. Yung likod. Grabe.
Damn, they threw everything in there, bro. You guys, I need to pee. Is that the only option?
Guys, try namin explore yung mga pwede namin explore lang. Ano
Ay,
to?
ayoko ba yun? Nakakatakot.
Red gate. So guys, meron tangke. Ay, may Gcash number oh. May Gcash number dyan. Active na ba yung Gcash nun?
Wala.
Parang ano yung pakiramdam ko. Ay, ano yun?
Let's
Parang
go
may
out here. I
curtain,
don't
may
like
curtain.
this. Go, come. I don't. Nakakaano, may creeps.
Nakakaano nga, may creeps.
May creeps.
Grabe, may bukas to na ano sa loob. Ito siya. Kailangan, may caution lang talaga kailangan kasi baka may falling debris dito. Grabe, nakakalula. Takot ako, baba na ako.
Hoy!
Iba yung feeling talaga pag lumapit ka. Ano meron? Andyan, meron?
Diyan daw yung mga na-disgrasya. So maybe na-pull out na ba? Sabi niya, nung dumaan daw sila dun, may biglang sumilip.
Saan?
Dun daw.
Ano kwento nyo?
Yung inikot po namin yan doon,
Oh.
ano po, may sumilip po siya bigla tapos may nambabato, tumakbo po.
Nang babato
Hala.
ng...
Bato.
Hala.
Eh? Baka na ano lang yung bato.
Binabato kami. Balak po kasi namin ng ikotin.
Oh.
Kaso napatigil na lang po kami kasi yung bandan dyan,
Oh.
nagpaparamdam.
Saan dyan?
Doon.
Parang nagpaparamdam.
Ano po, yung isa po namin kasama na malaki. Sinabi niya daw po, may sumilip daw po bigla doon. Tapos, nung ando doon na po kasi, kulong na kami nun. Tapos, nung pagkakalagitnaan namin, may nambabato na.
So wala kaming choice kundi ikutin na lang siya. Tingnan ko ano yung mga pwede namin ma-investigate at saka ma-explore. Pagka lumalapit kami sa mismong dyan, sa may papasok, medyo mabigat sa pakiramdam, I don't know why. Parang you can just like feel like, heavy.
Oh, because I think so many things happened here back in years ago. Yeah, it's like one of the biggest tragedies in history here in Philippines. So, yeah.
Alright guys, so this is where our abandoned exploration
Yes.
ends. So far, marami tayong mga abandoned places na napuntahan na nakita natin sa Google Maps na we were curious about. So actually, medyo nahirapan kami maghanap ng mga abandoned locations sa Google Maps kasi most of them na-renovate na, yung iba naman parang na-demolish na. We tried our best na makahanap and ito yung mga nahanap naming mga pwede namin mapakita sa inyo. Yan, out of all the abandoned places na napuntahan natin today, ano yung pinaka parang exciting sa'yo or interesting?
Honestly, this last place was really exciting because, I don't know, we got to actually roam around the whole vicinity. We weren't able to go in, but like going around such a historic building with many history and like just peeking at the tiny holes were like kind of very interesting. So, yeah.
I think yung pinaka-interesting place is ito rin. Pero I think it's gonna be more interesting kung nakapasok tayo sa loob or nakalapit man lang. Pero we have no choice. And then syempre yung mga iba rin natin napuntahan, meron ako natutunang mga theory na yung totoo, yung sa una.
Not only we were able to see the abandoned places, but we were also able to hear stories about it. And to everybody who wants to visit these places and other historical places, make sure to just be safe and follow all the rules, and of course be respectful because these are not just places, it's also history.
And
so.
yung mga pinuntahan namin na yung iba dyan na kinausap namin yung mga dapat kausapin. So if you guys are planning on going, make sure nyo muna na you guys are allowed to go there. That's our exploration of abandoned places on Google Maps. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Good night.
Wala lang, isa-isa lang. Necessary yung horror kasi sa kanila.
Magkano po?
Go lang.
1K? Start 0, sir.